Do you have a narcissistic partner? Your connection appears to be troublesome and toxic. You wish to break free from the narcissist's grasp, so you started using the no contact rule, which allows you to breathe freely without their presence. If you suddenly implement this rule, your narcissistic partner will most likely think that you are selfish and a coward. However, cutting connections with the narcissist is not the best option, but it is the only way to make them crazy about you. What happens when you suddenly go in no contact with the narcissist? Will the narcissist resort to violence just to win you back? Will the narcissist find new prey to replace you instead? This video will show you why going no contact will drive narcissists insane. Let's begin. Number 1. You are the source of their narcissistic supplies. People who are narcissistic need adoration and attention. In a relationship, they want someone to make them feel good. Narcissists desire your energy and emotional attributes to make them feel alive. If the partners enforce no contact, narcissists can't progress, which will drain narcissists' power. Number 2. They feel betrayed. If they are alone, narcissists feel betrayed by their partners. They are the folks who are possessive of their partners, not out of love, but because the narcissist's partner makes them feel superior. Suppose you are in a relationship with a narcissist and suddenly terminate your relationship with them. These people lack self-reflection, so instead of asking themselves what they did wrong, they will blame you for everything that happened. They will most likely feel backstabbed. Number 3. It hurts their ego. Narcissists are egotistical persons who want you to adore and admire them because they are full of themselves. These people stay in relationships not because they love you, but because they want you to invest your energy into them to make them happy. So if you leave them unexpectedly, it will hurt their ego and make them hate you. Some narcissists may pursue their partners after they have left them because these narcissists want to rekindle their passion for abusing you, not because of the realization that they love you. Number 4. Narcissists feel ashamed of themselves. One of the narcissist's biggest fears is feeling embarrassed of themselves. They have their own set of criteria for what makes them happy, and they require someone to uphold those standards so that others will respect them. So if the partner leaves the narcissist so abruptly, they would feel humiliated of losing the game. Number 5. Narcissists feel that it is not their loss. If their partners establish a no contact rule in their relationship, a frequent narcissist response is, "It isn't my loss." They will comfort themselves with a plot that is not their problem, but the loss of the partner for leaving. However, deep inside, it hurts the narcissist for not leaving first. Number 6. Narcissists want revenge. When you cut off contact with the narcissist, they will feel abandoned and go insane wanting you back. These people will find a way to contact you no matter how many times you block them. They will finally shower you with the intention of wanting you back. Not because they love you, but because they want you back to get revenge. These partners who return to the narcissist will be remorseful. It is undoubtedly an opportunity for the narcissist to do the abuse. Number 7. They will not forget about you. If you do not contact the narcissist, they will not forget about you or neglect you. These narcissists are doomed because they are unaware of their actions. The thought of someone leaving them would upset them. Number 8. Fear of abandonment. Abandonment for narcissists not only pains them but also drives them insane. The greatest dread of narcissists is the fear of abandonment and rejection by the people they expect to stay. These are narcissistic people who grew up with families and abandonment issues. Narcissists do not want to be left behind. They are the people who love to do the leaving act. They will leave you behind like an old broken toy when they are done with you as the narcissistic supply. Number 9. They will feel powerless. A narcissist requires the power of being superior to others. As a result, They are the ones that control their partners and do what they want in their relationship. So if their partners go no contact, the power swings away from them, rendering narcissists helpless, which would infuriate and drive them crazy. Number 10. You are their emotional punching bag. Narcissists are individuals who thrive in a one-sided relationship. They want every part of the relationship to gain complete control of their partners. If they have frustrations, they want their partners to catch the release of negativity to make them feel better. If their lovers go no contact, narcissists will feel hopeless. Number 11. They need someone to fill them with their fantastic ideas. Narcissists have unrealistic expectations of their partners and relationships. If the partner leaves, the illusion of perfection may cause them to feel disconnected and get a slap from reality. This reality means no one to manipulate, no one to blame, no one to burst their toxicity, and no one to use will drive the narcissist insane. They will do their best to win their partner back, but the no-contact action will defeat the narcissist. Number 12. They don't love you, but they need you. Love is a decision, not an emotion. Narcissists struggle to make that decision. They're focused on loving themselves, forgetting to appreciate those who love them. If their lovers decide not to contact them, they will lose a significant part of themselves. What does narcissists need? They need only one thing: a narcissistic supply. Someone to gain control and abuse. Because narcissists don't love their partners, and for them to win the partner back, narcissists will do measures like violence and even harm them in the end. It is difficult to live a narcissist since staying with them would inflict much more damage on partners. The purpose of no contact is not just to drive a narcissist insane, but also to provide you with mental treatment. There is a distinction between loving ourselves to feel better again and loving ourselves even if we hurt others.